everybody, and welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And this is our pajama subscription Sunshine Sisters video
for
January, which we're very excited about, and I will let Krista tell you about.
So the subscription is $24.99 plus shipping, and so it is such a good value because last month's snowflake set that we got for the $24.99 plus the shipping, what is it, $6.99 I think. This month when this new set came out, she put it up for sale and there's like $45 or $47 for that set, or maybe it was even $49. It was in the high 40s. So this. Getting the subscription saves dogs again. Listen, they're being a bit restless. So this is a much better value to get the subscription, and I'll let you know that she was going to do a cinch leg, but for this print, she just felt like Jordan felt like a wide leg would go better with the print, and when you see it,
the dogs are just you're
gonna fall in love with it.
Today. Yes, and. You can. I'll remind you guys again, you can always suspend a month. You'll find out at the beginning of the month what it's going to be before your build. And if you're not jiving with that print or pattern or style, suspend it, reactivate it.
Well, you have to suspend. Like if you order this month because you want it, then you'll need to suspend it as soon as your order processes, and don't unsuspend it till after you see what the February is.
Yeah, that's right. You suspend it beforehand and then unsuspend it when you decide you want it.
You have to suspend it the month before the next one ships out.
So since Krista manages ours, I don't know the answer to this question. Do you always unsuspend ours every month and then reactivate it if we like it?
No, because she gave. I haven't done that in the last 3 months because I knew exactly what we were getting, and so I just let it go. But in the summer months, yes, I suspend it. Like I would suspend January. Now that we've got this, I would suspend it and then wait and see what February's print, for example, would be, and then once she released it, usually the first of the month. Sometimes it goes into the first business day of the month. It just depends on her schedule. And then once I see the print, then I can unsuspend it and still get it within that month.
Now, for us, the reason that we typically suspend some summer and know we're probably not going to want it, she does a lot of shorts in the summer, and neither one of us like shorts pajamas. Because her shorts pajamas, they're so stinking cute, but they're short.
So if you're
I'm not okay with
that. If you like short shorts or you're the person, then you will love her because they are so cute. It's not because they're not cute; they are adorable.
They're very
gotten
cute.
2 pairs.
They're just not comfortable for me to wear. I don't like.
And so pants. They are so cute. The ruffled ones, the straight ones, they are all adorable. So you'll love them. So this month is she did it for February for Valentine's Day. So let me get the card out so that you can see the teddy bears and the hearts. And this is like a creamy white background with brown teddy bears with red bows and red hearts. And when you see this, oh my goodness, they're so soft.
And everybody's teddy bear vibe in right now. If you, we didn't show it, but we obviously do a lot of P. Louise, and checking out their website, there's so many pictures of them advertising things wearing teddy bear pajamas.
Yes, P. Louise, all her people are in cute little teddy bear pajamas, and she right now on her TikTok live this week is teddy bear themed for her new line. So everybody's into teddy bears this month. And this is the cute little bow for the pants and
the top is button.
Yes, and it's a long sleeve top to go with a wide button up.
A shirt tail kind of thing, so it hangs down. It's not straight across.
Yes, look at the adorableness. And the red piping. Her pajamas are so soft. So soft. And so stretchy and comfortable. They're amazing to sleep in. You just feel fun and elegant.
Yes.
I mean, people. And they do.
And this is a working drawstring.
Yeah. And it's extra small through 5X. So it's a wide range of sizes for people. And trust me, when you sign up, you will not be sorry. And you'll be addicted for life because I am.
Now, we did get a pair of the wide leg pajamas for a friend of ours for Christmas. And she's on the petite side. She's even shorter than Krista. So what I did for her, I asked her if she wanted me to help her with it. This was the pants. Is this the bottom? No, that's your shirt. Pants. I just actually ran some elastic inside the bottom hem of hers and made them a gathered bottom, and they're fine for her. So you don't have to cut them off. You don't have to walk around on them if you're short and you like the wide leg style. Just run a piece of elastic inside, or get fusing. If you're not a sewer, that's fine. Get you some fusing and tuck it up under, and you can make it shorter and still enjoy them. So there's a lot of options, or just wait until they have a jogger bottom and go for that.
Yes, I know that with her, she has a blue jean PJ set.
Oh my God,
it is so cute.
Looks just like denim.
It's denim, and it's a wide leg with a button up top. But she is going to make a jogger bottom and sell each of the pieces separate. So you could get a button top with the jogger if you don't want the wide leg. I love wide leg joggers. I like cinch legs. The only thing is shorts, and that's just my personal preference. Yeah. Not that they are not so.
They're so cute,
but it's just my personal preference.
I just need more clothing. They're too short. But yeah, these are the pattern for January.
They're perfect for Valentine's Day coming up.
Subscribe for somebody you love and get them this set for Valentine's Day. You can still get this set. And if you want to get them the subscription, if you want to get the subscription and just not tell them it's a subscription, it's a gift thing that you manage, like Krista does for ours. Or the subscription, get these. Keep an eye on it. If you think your person wants another pair of whatever's coming up, unsuspend it. Get them another pair.
You'll love them.
They'll be a happy camper. Trust me.
Yes, Jordan, Sunshine Sisters, the best.
These are amazing. We hope you loved this video as much as we love these jammies. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe, and leave us comments. Let us know how you're liking the channel, the way we're going on it, the pajamas if you haven't tried them yet, or if you have tried them, let me know. If you haven't tried them,
try them.
If you have any questions about the subscription, post it in the comments. I'll ask Kristen. She'll tell me what to reply. But you guys, thank you so much for joining us. We hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.